Today I am going to do the neck border design. For these lines which I have drawn, I am going to do chain stitch, simple chain stitch. Take very small stitches and put the thread round the needle like this. I have taken a shaded pink thread. Take very small stitches, otherwise it will not look good. Small stitches like this. Very simple. Like this, I will complete all the lines first. After completing this line with chain stitch, I am going to do these flowers using buttonhole stitch. I'll start from the center. Again from here to the top. Take the thread round the needle. This way I am going to complete the flowers. 4 stitches would be enough to complete 4 or at the most 5 stitches would be enough to complete the petals. After completing this half of the petal, I will go to this side. Again the same stitch. A very simple stitch. That's all. No more stitches will be required to complete this petal. This way I am going to complete the flowers. After completing this flower, for the center, using the same thread, I am going to do one French knot stitch. Just take the thread round the needle 4 times and put the needle down. That is all. For the center of the flower, put the needle down and gently pull down the thread. That's all. This way I am going to complete each flower. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, kindly like, share and subscribe.